Hey guys, Jay here, welcome to EonsOfBattle, and in this video I'm going to teach you how to make some fantasy cobblestone bases. Here are the paints I'll be using, and the materials can be found in the description below. The first thing I did is I took some Crayola Model Magic soft squishy modeling material and rolled it between my fingers to create a pile of little balls that'll become my stone path. This material is very dry and should not stick to anything, but it will stick to itself, so make sure to leave a little space in between your balls. Then I superglued my rocks onto the base, leaving a little gap in between. This gap will close later when I squish down the foam. And then I took some parchment paper and gave each base a squish. Go slow and check to see if you're happy with the effect. You can't undo, so be careful. I then let that dry and I gave each base a prime with some black paint through my airbrush, but you could also get the job done with a rattle can. Then I got some P3 Ironhull Grey and thinned it down with a little bit of water and applied this to random rocks on my path. And then I did the same thing with some Vallejo Terracota. And finally, I finished off any remaining rocks with some Vallejo Earth. Make sure the colors are about even. Then I added some more water onto my paints, and I dipped a toothbrush into this wet mixture. I used this to speckle all three colors onto the base to help blend the colors so that they weren't so different. Then, to dull them down a bit, I gave the whole base a dry brushing with some Vallejo Stonewall Grey. At this point, the cobblestone path is done, and to finish it up, I'm going to be applying some flocking in between the rocks. So I brushed on some Elmer's glue in between the rocks, and I used some dark green static grass applied with tweezers to the base. Once that was dry, the only thing left is to paint the rim of the base, and I chose black. And there you have 3 finished cobblestone bases. We make tutorials like these every week, and if you like them and you want more of them, you can help us out by supporting us over on Patreon. And you'll get some behind the scenes and exclusive content as well. If you're looking for another fantasy-friendly base, you should check out our Sinister Swamp base. Find this video and lots more like it on our basing playlist, where you will find tons of unique and simple bases. But that's all for this video. I hope you enjoyed, and as always, thanks for watching.